Has a new public health officer. In his second day on the job, Dr. Richard Bernstein sat down with Action News Now's Vanessa Romo to talk about his past experience and his thoughts on the pandemic.
Meet Dr. Robert Bernstein, Butte County Public Health's new health officer. Dr. Bernstein comes to us from Tuolumne County, where he served as the health officer for 2 years.
My hope is that as the health officer, I can work with partners, stakeholders and partners to ensure the safety and health for all the people of Butte County. I'm especially concerned about what will take place when a demonstrably safe and effective COVID-19 vaccine becomes available.
Bernstein has experience working with the World Health Organization and the Center for Disease Control. So we asked him his thoughts on how Butte County is handling the pandemic.
As far as you can tell right now, is Butte County testing enough?
Actually, as far as I can tell, and Dr. Fauci and others at the Centers for Disease Control and at the state of California would all say that we're not testing enough. But the problem is logistical. The problem is that the test facilities and accessibility of the tests is just not as great as we would like to have it.
Dr. Bernstein also notes that testing on essential workers, people who are ill, and people who are in contact with the above get priority testing. As for his thoughts on a COVID-19 vaccine,
there are now several hundred vaccine candidates being tested. The NIH is supporting the testing of vaccine candidates, but it's unlikely that a safe and effective vaccine, in my opinion, will be available before the early part of next year at the earliest.
Dr. Bernstein graduated from Penn, got his doctorate in biochem from Penn State, and graduated from the University of Connecticut Medical School. In Chico, Vanessa Romo, Action News Now, coverage you can count on.
And Dr. Bernstein says he's fluent in the languages of Indonesia and Malaysia and says it's important to be able to communicate, to be transparent and accurate during this time especially.